This incredible 55-kilogram malaputo is carefully filleted into thick, fresh cuts before being transformed into one of the Philippines' most beloved seafood dishes, kinolong. Mixed with fresh cucumber, onions, ginger, calamansi, vinegar, and plenty of chili, every bite delivers a refreshing balance of sweet fish, tangy citrus, and spicy kick. Prepared beside the mangroves using the freshest catch possible, this giant seafood feast celebrates authentic coastal living and traditional Filipino flavors. Served with steaming hot rice and shared straight from a massive tray, it's the kind of seafood experience every fresh fish lover dreams about.
This is a yummy feast. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more traditional and outdoor cooking adventures.
Sarap yung kinilaw. Kinilaw na malasugi. Ilaw daw. Ayos. Ano ta? Namiyas mong kinilaw. Ilaw tama ka, Jabs. Ilaw. Malasugi. Pagkalami ah. Gila ka ninyo. Ito. Pilaw. Yes. Magkasarap ay. Kami. May kilaw ning malasugi. Bahaw. Kilaw. Kilaw. Masak ng kilaw. Kilaw. Grabe lang ah. Ano yun? Pagkalami kinilaw.